And you're watching Christina Just Tried. And today, of all days, I'm wearing my Mathew shirt. And I got my package. It's just a bunch of wax melts and candles. So we're going to open it and see what we got. Got my knife. And a very, very dull knife. I got Stitch and Nikki. Say hi, Nikki. Hi. She's under the weather right now. And Stitch is a little gremlin. Oh, yay! Just what I wanted. Packing peanuts. What do we have here? Cool. All right, my packaging slip. And then, I'm gonna make such a mess right now. So when I got these, there was a buy one, get one free sale. So that's why I got so many. And his candles and wax melts are always going out of stock. So I figured, stock up while you can. What happens if the dogs get one of these packaging peanuts? Right. I already know what's in this one. But we have all of these too. That wax melter that I got from my mother-in-law, we had a little accident, so it kind of fell and broke. So I have to get another one. I love the names of these candles. They're so funny. No. I'm talking to you and the camera. Oh, something smells so good. It smells like butterscotch. All right, like this lavender one, the Lavender Fields one. It says nice ass. I already know I love this one. I usually get this as a regular candle, but it's more economical if you get the little wax melts. It smells like a spa. And then I got two fuck around and find outs. There's salted butterscotch. Man, shake a hand. Salted butterscotch. Yeah, it still doesn't want to focus. It smells so good. It smells like candy. Stitch, get down. Get down from there. Get off of my table. Yeah, that's very butterscotchy. I kind of want to eat it. That's how good it smells. There's a hot apple pie. Get up, it's time to do farm chores. And for those of you who don't know who Matt Matthews is, he's a comedian and a farmer based out of Alabama. He's also a photographer. Oh, these are so good. These smell so yummy, honey. I love this. And then Hot Mess Express. This is Citrus C. This one is one of Nikki's favorites. Oh, it reminds me of summertime. The last wax melt is Brandied Pear. It's Baddest Bitch on the Block. I like that his products made with natural ingredients, so it's a cleaner burn. Ooh, this smells like candy. I love that. That smells so good. And then for the big box, my candles. I think they're citrusy. I like the ambiance. Yeah, citrusy. Hot Mess Express. We got 2 of them, and they look beautiful. It arrived safely all the way from the East Coast. I love every bit of it. And Stitch gets a box. Here you go, baby. Go rip it. There's a big mess of cardboard back there. That is his rip pile. He'll sit there and he'll just rip them up. So we got 2 candles and 3, 4, 5, and 8 wax melts. And of the 8 wax melts, we got 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 smells. So I'm so excited for this. My house is gonna smell amazing. And I'm glad I checked Instagram at that hour of the night. Otherwise, I wouldn't have known it was buy one, get one free. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And I'm gonna go burn some stuff.